In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Canva video with a transparent background. First, open Canva and head to the design that you want to export. Make sure it's set up as a video design, not just a static image. You can check this by looking at the top of the editor to confirm it's using a video format and timeline. Before exporting, quickly review your layout. Anything you want to remain visible should be on the canvas, and anything you want to be see-through later should either be deleted or set to have no background behind it. Next, pay attention to the background itself. If your goal is transparency, you don't want a solid photo or color filling the entire page. If you currently have a full background image or a solid color, click on it and either delete it or change it so that it's not covering everything. You should see the default Canva checkerboard pattern, or a clear indication that there's no image behind your elements. This is what will become transparent when you export. Now, check that any shapes, text boxes, or graphics you're using don't unintentionally block the transparency. For example, a large white rectangle behind your text will show up as white in your final export, not transparent. If you only want the text itself floating over whatever background you'll add later in your video editor or on your website, remove those extra shapes or adjust their transparency inside Canva. Once your design is ready, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Download or Export button. Canva will open a panel with file type and settings. This is an important step. For transparent backgrounds, you'll typically need to choose a format that supports transparency. Depending on Canva's current features and your plan, look for options like a video format that explicitly mentions transparent background. Or, in some workflows, you may need to export elements as separate transparent files and then animate them. In the Export panel, look carefully for a checkbox or toggle labeled Transparent Background. Turn this on. If you don't see it, it may be because of your account type or the selected format. Make sure you've chosen a compatible format that allows transparency, and that the design is set up as Canva expects for this feature. Finally, once all settings look correct, click the Download or Export button and wait for Canva to process your video. When it's finished, open the exported file in your video editor or platform of choice, and place it over another background to confirm that everything outside your design elements is fully transparent.